Hey everyone! Big news from the sun, something massive is about to happen. According to NASA-supported observatories, the sun's vast magnetic field is about to flip. It looks like we're no more than 3 to 4 months away from a complete field reversal, says solar physicist Todd Hoeksema from Stanford University. The sun's magnetic field changes polarity about every 11 years. This happens at the peak of each solar cycle when the sun's inner magnetic dynamo reorganizes itself. The upcoming reversal will mark the midpoint of solar cycle 24. Half of solar max will be behind us, with half yet to come. Todd Hoeksema is the director of Stanford's Wilcox Solar Observatory, one of the few places in the world monitoring the sun's polar magnetic fields. These poles are a sign of big changes. Just like Earth scientists watch our planet's polar regions for signs of climate change, solar physicists do the same with the sun. Wilcox has been tracking the sun's polar magnetism since 1976 and has recorded 3 grand reversals, with a 4th on the way. Solar physicist Phil Scherer, also from Stanford, explains what happens. The sun's polar magnetic fields weaken, go to 0, and then emerge again with the opposite polarity. This is a regular part of the solar cycle. A reversal of the sun's magnetic field is literally a big event. The sun's magnetic influence, known as the heliosphere, extends billions of kilometers beyond Pluto. Changes to the field's polarity ripple all the way out to the Voyager probes, right on the edge of interstellar space. When solar physicists talk about these reversals, they often mention the current sheet. This is a sprawling surface jutting outward from the sun's equator, where the sun's slowly rotating magnetic field induces an electrical current. While the current itself is small, only 1/10,000,000th of an amp per square meter, it flows through a region 10,000 light-years thick and billions of kilometers wide. Electrically speaking, the entire heliosphere is organized around this enormous sheet. During field reversals, the current sheet becomes very wavy. Scherer compares these undulations to the seams on a baseball. As Earth orbits the sun, we dip in and out of the current sheet. These transitions can stir up stormy space weather around our planet. Cosmic rays are also affected by this change. These high-energy particles, accelerated to nearly light speed by supernova explosions, and other violent events in the galaxy, pose a danger to astronauts and space probes. Some researchers even believe they might affect Earth's cloudiness and climate. The current sheet acts as a barrier, deflecting cosmic rays as they try to penetrate the inner solar system. A wavy, crinkly sheet acts as a better shield against these energetic particles from deep space. As the field reversal approaches, data from Wilcox show that the sun's 2 hemispheres are out of sync. The sun's north pole has already changed sign, while the south pole is racing to catch up, Scherer said. Soon, however, both poles will be reversed, and the second half of solar max will be underway. When that happens, Todd Hoeksema and Phil Scherer will share the news with everyone. So, stay tuned and don't miss out on this cosmic event. Subscribe for more informative videos like this. See you soon.